Hey guys, so for this spring I'm going to start taking anatomy and physiology again because I didn't do so well on my previous class, and so I want to bring up my GPA so I can do my ultrasound program, or at least try to get in as soon as possible. So I kind of developed this PowerPoint to kind of help me study because I am more of an interactive learner, and I don't like I don't know. I like to work through things, but at the same time, I don't like to do excessive work. I drew this on sketchbook on my tablet, and then I kind of copied the images into my PowerPoint, and I just put the descriptions, or well, this is gonna be like the blood flow, so it's gonna be how the blood flows through the heart. So the way this works is I simply go to slideshow. I try to do the pictures, but because they overlap each other, I wasn't able to get some of them to work. So I did the terms for now, and later on, if I figure it out, I will update you guys, or as I see if this works for me, I will just continue to probably do this with different parts of the body. So for the blood flow, the blood comes into the heart through the superior vena cava, which comes in from the upper parts of the body, and the inferior vena cava, which comes in through the lower parts of the body. Once they come in, they go into the right atrium of the heart. Uh, as you know, the heart has four main chambers, so the right atrium is one of them. It then pushes the blood through the tricuspid valve, and that's called tricuspid because it does have three flaps that push the blood through. It then goes into the right ventricle, where it is then pushed up into the pulmonary valve, and the pulmonary valve then directs the blood into the pulmonary arteries. And as you can see there, I kind of went a little too fast, and I did it pulmonary vein, so I will try doing that one more time. So superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, pulmonary valve, and then it goes into the pulmonary artery. Now, if you see these little things just like this, they are flaps so that the blood cannot go back into the ventricle or back into the atrium, because we don't want that, or that could be hazardous to our health. So these flaps prevent the blood from doing like a backflow. So once the blood is pushed up through the pulmonary arteries, it is then taken into either the right lung or the left lung, where it goes to pick up oxygen. And once it has picked up oxygen from the lungs, the blood is returned through the pulmonary veins from the left lung and the right lung once again, where it is then pushed into the left atrium, which is similar to the right atrium, and then it is pushed down through the bicuspid valve or the mitral valve. It has two names. This one only has two flaps, that's why it's called bicuspid. Then it's pushed down into the left ventricle, where it is then pushed back up into the aortic valve. You see the little flaps again, so it went to that backflow. And then from there, it goes up into the aorta, and it goes up to the aorta. These three, I guess, blood vessels or veins, I forgot what they're called, I'll look it up later. They go lead to the upper parts of the body, and then this one that comes down leads down to the lower body. And then this last one is just the pericardium, which is the muscle that kind of protects the heart, or the muscle that allows it to pump. I'll probably get into that one a little bit later since there's more information. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that is all for now. Thank you. Bye.